Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate your account in Chime for investing options. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To start the authentication process in Chime, open the Chime app on your mobile device. If you do not have the app, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once the app is opened, sign in using your existing credentials. If you are a new user, tap on the Sign Up option to create a new account. To authenticate your account, look for the Security or Settings section in the app. Select Account Security or a similar option. Next, you will see an option for two-factor authentication. Toggle this feature on to enhance your account's security. You may be prompted to verify your phone number. Enter your phone number and tap Send Code. Check your messages for a verification code. Enter this code into the provided field in the app. Once verified, you can proceed to set up additional security features if prompted. After authentication, navigate to the Investing section within the app. Ensure that you have linked a funding source, such as a bank account. If prompted, verify your bank account by completing microdeposits. Monitor your bank account for small deposits from Chime. Once received, enter the amounts in the app to verify your account. With your account authenticated and linked, you can now explore various investing options. Follow the on-screen prompts to start investing with confidence. Make sure to review all terms and conditions before making any investments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.